In this tutorial, we'll see how to solve questions 51 to 60 of the CXC 2019, January 2019 paper. The first question is the values of x at the points where y equals 4x minus x squared intersects y equals 0 are. So the line y equals 0 is the same as the x-axis. So the graph y equals 4x minus x squared is this parabola that has a maximum turning point. So where it intersects the x-axis, we have the x values to be x equals 0 and x equals 4. Therefore, the x-intercepts from the graph are x equals 0 and x equals 4. Hence, the correct answer is x equals 0, x equals 4. So the correct answer is option A, x equals 0, x equals 4. Now let us look at the next question. Which of the following sets is represented by the function f is such that x maps onto x cubed plus 3 with the given domain as 0, 1, 2, 3. So we are given a function f is such that x maps onto x squared plus 3, and we can rewrite this as f of x is equal to x squared plus 3 and the domain that is given to us is this. So we need to substitute each of these elements into this function to get this. So we want to find the element there. We want to find the image that corresponds to x equals 0. So when x equals 0, we get 0 squared plus 3, then we get 0 plus 3, which is equal to 3. And we substitute x equal 1, we get f of 1 equal 1 squared plus 3, which is equal to 1 plus 3, and that will give us 4. Then we substitute x equal 2, we get 2 squared, which is 4, plus 3, which is 7. And when we substitute x equal 3, we get 3 squared, which is 9, plus 3, which is 12. So the ordered pairs will be 0, 3, 1, 4, 2, 7, 3, 12. Therefore, the correct answer is 0, 3, 1, 4, 2, 7, then 3, 12. So this is the correct answer. Now let's look at this one, question 53. Item 53 refers to the following diagram. In the diagram above, if the line y equals x is rotated anti-clockwise about 0, that is the origin, about O, through 90 degrees, what is its image? So we know that the given line is y equals x, which is our object, and we know the other pair that can lie on this line y equals x is a. That is, this is y is equal to a, and x is also equal to a. So you can see that y is equal to x. Now let's proceed with the solution. So the mapping for the 90 degrees anti-clockwise rotation is xy maps onto negative yx. So we need to swap this and negate the y coordinate. So we swapped and negate the y coordinate to get this. So we can see that this is x, this is x, and this is y. So x equal negative a, y equal a. So for this to be equal, we need to get something like negative a is equal to negative a. But we know that negative a is for x and a is for y, so negative of y. So we can solve for y to get y is equal to negative x. Therefore the correct answer is this. So we proceed with the next question. A, C, and D, E are straight lines intersecting at B. Angle DBA is equal to 58 degrees. The measure of angle ABE, this angle, we know these are linear pairs, adjacent angles that are linear pairs, and they will add up to 180. So we have angle DBA plus ABE equal 180 degrees. So we substitute to get 58 plus ABE equal 180. So subtract 58 from both sides. Then angle ABE equal 122 degrees. So this is the correct answer. Which of the following angles are equal? So which of the following angles are equal? We were given this angle, we're given this diagram, and we know DBC, angle DBC will be equal to angle ABE. And angle DAB or angle ABD will be equal to angle CBE. So the correct answer will be D, by the vertical angle property. So the correct option is option D. Now we have this number 56. In each of the following diagram, A prime is the image of A. Which of the diagram shows a reflection in the x-axis? So we know for reflection in the x-axis, it will be like a mirror. So this A prime is the image. So this is the image of this. You know this. If this is the mirror line, if SI is the mirror line, the image should form below here. You cannot get a mirror reflection of this over here. This is a reflection in the y-axis. Therefore, the correct answer is D. This cannot either be. So if you are standing here and this is a mirror, you see yourself right here, not this side. So the correct option will be D. Now let's look at the question 57. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to x degrees and angle B equal to x. What is the size of angle C? We know the sum of angles in a triangle will give us 180. So we substitute the angle A and the angle B, which is x plus 2x plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So 3x plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. And angle C will be equal to 180 degrees minus 3x when we subtract both sides by 3x. Therefore, the correct answer will be A. We have this item 58 refers to the following pair of similar triangles. So the length of MO in centimeters is, so we know if two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides are in equal proportion. So we take the proportion MO over AC to be equal to MN over AB. Therefore, we substitute the values and we know that 3 over 6 is the same as half. So half of 7 will be equal to 3.5. So we get this here by multiplying both sides by 7. Multiply both sides by 7. The 7 will cancel. The 7 will cancel this. We are left with MO to be equal to 3 over 6 times 7. And the correct answer will be 3.5. Question 58. A ship sailed 8 kilometers due east from A to B. It then sailed 6 kilometers due north to C. So sailing 8 kilometers due east. So this is our cardinal point and this is the North Pole. 8 kilometers due east. So this is the east. When you are having a cardinal point here, this will be north, then this will be east, this will be east, and this will be south, and this will be west. So 8 kilometers due east is this direction, then 6 kilometers due north in this direction. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. Now let's look at our final question. Under the translation, we have 2, -3. The image of 3, -5 is what? So translation is just the addition of vectors. So we add the translation vector to the given point. So we get the given point is 3, -1. We write that as a column vector to get 2, -3 plus 3, -5. And by addition of vectors, we add corresponding coordinates components to get 2 plus 3. And that will give us 5, and -3 minus 5 is -8. So writing this as a point, we get 5, -8. Therefore, the correct answer is this. So henceforth, I'll be uploading more CXC videos on this channel, and only those who subscribe will get a link in their email to watch the next video. So if you don't subscribe to this channel, you will not be able to watch my next upload on CXC CSC Mathematics. So don't forget to click the subscribe button below